Hopefully not.
I thought he was out like when the kids were out and he could go back and the kids were back.
He is, but hopefully they will find other shifts for him.
I'm gonna look at the bottle.
If not, we'll be in some trouble, but we'll see how it goes.
We have any more presents for him?
We do, but they were gonna save some for later. He can
We got
open
lots.
He can open that one from Santa.
Okay.
A present showed up on our doorstep today from Santa.
What did?
A present for Corwin.
Oh. From Santa, huh?
It was outside our front door when we opened it.
Wow, Santa's gonna come see him twice. Wow, must be special.
He is.
He's seen down there.
Corwin.
He's seen Santa about 4 times now.
Oh.
Corwin.
His teacher that I told you comes out periodically. They don't usually do gifts, so I hadn't even thought about it. But she brought him a gift this year from Santa, and then he stays at the grocery store daycare. It's like 1 hour free daycare while you do your grocery shopping. He stays there so often that all 3 of the girls there know him and love him, and 2 of them got him presents this year.
Oh, well, good. Persons can't get to me presents.
Apparently not.
Hey, cool.
He looks tired. He looks tired.
He's not. So we have no idea what this is.
Oh, cool. Okay, fine. I'm excited.
It's another puppy for his puppy.
Another puppy for my puppy.
Well, puppy needs a friend.
And apparently it talks.
Corwin, stop. I'm trying to get it out. Ah, stop, Corwin.
Wait, that's supposed to come out. Still.
Oh, how cute.
It says batteries are included, but
Well, I think
There we
Oh,
go.
yeah.
can't get to me puppies.
It moves.
Trying to get a puppy.
Hang on, kiddo.
I think he's trying to introduce himself to the other puppy.
he likes your puppy better.
Seems to.
Like the
It's cuddlier.
bottle.
What can I say?
It wags its little tail.
I'm trying to feed this one, I think.
You'll feed some more.
Corwin, stop
I think
grabbing.
you should try to feed this other one.
He has snatched them both.
I want to do it.
I'm trying to figure out how to. Something isn't right.
Fix it in a minute.
I think the batteries might be dead.
Well, we can fix that later.
We have
Yeah.
lots of batteries.
That's a cute puppy, though.
It is cute.
That's a cute puppy, Colin.
It's like, don't put him down, Dad. I want to hold him.
Santa brought you that puppy to go with your other puppies. They won't be lonely.
I think the puppies are growling at each other
The
now.
puppy you sent is growling at the other puppy.
Don't get near my milk. Don't get near my food, please. Oh, my word.
Yeah, he's a very nurturing child. He loves stuffed animals. He gives them hugs and talks to them. And, of course, I'm the one that has to do the voices for the animals. And Colin. Yes, and Colin.
Oh,
That puppy's gonna be well fed.
Yes, we're going to have a very fat puppy.
that puppy needs his life.
I know, he's right.
He's happy.
Yeah.
Corbin says he's happy.
Puppies are a lot of responsibility, see, and I want you to do something with them.
It's true.
Oh, is Dad gonna have time to play his game tonight?
Very unlikely.
Oh, well. Something there.
But I suspect I will have time to play it in the next few months.
Okay.
Let him take
My poor long-suffering husband.
Let him take a picture.
That's true.
Yeah, I did.
His head's been cut off right now. He only has a mouth. He's a body with a mouth.
Hi, kiddo. What you doing?
Oh, pretty.
There you go. I took a picture.
Took a picture?
Yeah, we're gonna turn it off for just a minute. Do you want to